This Percival training video will explain the general features of the touchscreen application's navigation menu. More specific navigation menu features will be covered in separate videos. On the status screen, touch the word Status in the upper left-hand corner to access the navigation menu, or simply touch anywhere on the status screen other than the graph tile. Touch Run Mode to bring up the Run Mode screen where you can choose which program to run. Touch Run Manual to run manual mode. You'll see a notification that manual mode has successfully started. All other programming is covered in a separate video. Touch the back button to return to the status screen, and then touch Status again to access the navigation menu. Touch Manual to open the manual settings screen where you can set the inputs for temperature, humidity, lighting, and CO2 if applicable, or enable the humidity and CO2 channels. Touch Graph to pull up the 24-hour data graph, which displays current temperature and set point. Touch Select to choose other inputs to be displayed on the graph. And then touch OK. Service brings you to a list of diagnostic information for the chamber and controller. Options allows you to select military time. If you have additional questions about using your touchscreen, watch Percival's other training videos, contact us through our website, or call 800-695-2743. Percival Scientific, helping you create better science.